I already broke a push pin. Oh no.
You got it dirty, man. Huh? What are you doing?
Installing something.
You know how to do this?
Mm-hmm.
You changing for what? More speed?
For sound.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, I forgot you fixed. Huh?
Oh, there we go. Damn. My poor hands. Oh no. Oh, that's so clean. Look at that. No, I just made it dirty. Okay, now I gotta unbolt. Is it 2? There's 3 bolts. 1, 2. Oh, there's one all the way down there. Shoot. How am I gonna get that one? Such a nice clean air filter though. Like brand new. 10 millimeter. Oh, let's see. Ah. Ah, so tight. go in? What?
Would you come back with me?
Oh! That's not hard at all. Does it go like that? Ah, okay. So, this is like the old housing, like that went directly, that was like put right here, you know, in the area for to hold the filter. And then that's like where the airflow goes through. You have your MAP sensor, and then that goes like, you know, turbo, whatever. And that's the filter right there. This is the new plate, just like a sheet of metal, and I just have to install it into like the existing screw holes. So you got one there, and then just one down there. So it's not secure, but we'll see. We're getting pretty far. We're in step 7 of it's 15, and all I broke in was a clip that goes here, but that's like $10 for like a pack of a dozen. So good progress. So what we're gonna be doing is we just put in this little grommet here that like screws in. It has a thread on both sides, and we just screwed it in. There's like a rubber piece right here, so you can screw it in my hand. And over here is the other mounting point for this new shield. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna use an M6. I'm trying to get to focus. Autofocus. Work with me, bro. Autofocus sucks, bro. Okay, so we have a bolt here that's threaded, and then on the other side so it's gonna go on the bottom side. And on the top side, we're gonna have a washer here. This piece, like, you know, so you don't overbolt it, and then this piece on top to screw it in, and that's gonna hold in this to that piece, over. Am I pointing at the right place? That piece over there. Oh, sorry, over there. So I completely missed a step. There's this trim, and it has to go on to this guy. So I have to mount this here, and then mount this guy like around the edge. Completely missed that part. So a little update. Here's the heat shield. There was a rubber trim that had to go around, and it's actually like a perfect fit pretty much. It said I had to trim it, but it fits actually perfectly. So now I just have to fit this adapter on one side, and the cold air intake would go in here, and just have to screw it in on the other side. If you guys can see those gold pieces with some align key screws, some washers, and then these pieces that make sure you don't over torque it. So yeah, it's coming along pretty quickly. So a bit of an update. I'm really tired. We're almost done. I just put the pipe in. I didn't tighten down anything because I need to find Allen keys or align keys to tighten down some stuff. But yeah, we have the heat shield pretty much like in the spot. We have all the bolts in the spot. We just need to tighten everything up. And yeah, let me show you where we're at so far. We just need to tighten things pretty much. So here we have the heat shield. Here's the adapter for where the new cold air intake goes. Here is the pipe. Here's some rubber mounts to connect, you know, the heat shield to the pipe, and then the pipe to the existing, you know, rest of the intake system. Here's the old one. We still have the sensor right here, the oxygen sensor, which we're gonna put into right here, which I think that should be fine. We'll see how it fits and everything. Yeah, we're almost done. We're almost done. It's gonna sound so cool and look so sick. So 2 things that we're missing. I just got it pretty much clamped on. So we got clamps on this side, clamps on that side. That is the mass airflow sensor that we got in there, the oxygen sensor. Here's the heat shield. We have 2 things missing. So you see how we have this bolt here. I don't have it for that one. It just didn't come with it. I'm gonna stop by a hardware store and see if we can get that on there, because that's quite important. I don't want this to get all loose and that causes issues. Another thing that we're missing now as well, this clip right here, it doesn't really matter anymore since I guess we don't have the factory one on there. It doesn't need it, but for the future I do want to replace it. I have one. It's half broken because I didn't have a push-up pin remover tool, but I'm really worried about not having the screw for there. It's not really too much of a problem. It's kind of snug, but that's definitely going to be an issue in the future, and I have to tighten down these. But we're almost done, guys. We're almost done. All right, we're about to install it. Let's freaking go, dude. That was a pretty quick install. Like, once I got the gist of it, it was pretty easy. is our new cold air intake. Oh. I don't know why the mount's the other way. Okay, we got it. Okay, let's just put it on there. Let's put our. Oh my gosh! Ow, that hurt me. That really hurt me. All right. Dios mío, bro. Oh my gosh. Let's make sure it's like on fully tight. Oh, this is awesome. Alright, and our last step is to put on the K&N sticker. Here's our K&N sticker. Very nice. Oh, it looks so good. Look at this, guys. We got our high flow. Oh my gosh, my feet are killing me. There's bugs everywhere. We got our high cold air intake right here with our new heat shield, our like rubber grommets on the sides, you know, keep everything nice and clean, soft edges. Our clamps, a K&N sticker. We got our high mass airflow sensor going into the rest of it, and it looks fantastic. Let's do our first ever start with this new cold air intake. Let's go. That sounds amazing, bro! What the heck? Anyways, that was the installation of my cold air intake. So far we have a muffler delete from EOS Exhaust or Extreme Online Store. It's a very okay exhaust. It sounds nice, so it makes the car audible. And then we have the cold air intake, so now we can actually hear when when the turbo, you know, spools, and then like you let go and you close the throttle body, and it just sounds so nice. We have many more things to come. If you guys haven't already seen the video of me talking about all of the stuff I want to do to this car, make sure to check the description below, or just, you know, go to the channel. Drop a like if you enjoyed, dislike if you didn't, comment, let me know what you guys think about the installation. How much did I mess up? Also, I want to touch on something I said earlier. Apparently, I'm not missing a bolt. It's not on the instructions, so I guess we don't need it. And obviously, I did break that one push-on clip halfway. I can still use it, but I will probably replace it in the future in case I ever tend to sell this car or sell that original part. But yeah, really loving this. Check out our Instagram in the description below. Everything as always, tastymediagroup.com. Love you guys. Peace out.